Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to backup and restore your system easily in 2025. Go to your browser, open this link below description. See here the software's main feature: intelligent backup, quick restore, flexible clone, diverse sync, and many more tools. Here is the pricing. Take whatever you like. Download the software from here. I already downloaded it. Double-click to install. Click Login to sign up or log in. I have already an account. See standard account activated, but I have a professional license code. Click Enter license code to update license code. See professional license activated. Here are the software's main highlight features. Today I'm going to show system backup and restore. Click Backup, click System Backup. See here showing System Drive. Select where you save your backup file. Click Start Backup. It takes a few minutes to back up your system. Click OK and finish. See system backup successfully. Now click Restore and select your system backup file. Select your backup file. I select my backup file created just before. I move my backup file to D drive. Click Next. Click Restore. It takes a few minutes to restore your system. Click Finish. See system restore successfully working well. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.